Hi everyone, we are having dinner and what's on the menu tonight is a kale salad that's marinated with turmeric, a turmeric dressing, and we have a little bell peppers and some diced apples, and then we have it's not the best lighting, but we have a stir-fried cabbage with brown rice. And then we have a nut patee that's made with pecans, walnuts, some sweet potatoes and scallions and onions. And we have a barbecue marinade that's blended in with it. And I think it tastes good. You like it?
It's so good.
This is Queenie with QueeniesKitchen.com.